and open CMD. I think we can wait 2-3 minutes, so more people should join. Open CMD in your project folder. You can do code space dot also.
npm start developer. npm developer. Why we added? Yeah. हवा
Okay, so hope you have opened your CMD in project folder. After that, we will install in that Redux React router and other thing is installed already. React router DOM we need to install and remaining all libraries. So we can come to the CMD and we can install in that npm install Redux.
வெறும் 15,000 சம்பாதிக்க எந்த பொண்ணு கட்ட மாட்டாளுவ கட்டணும் நினைக்க மாட்டாளுவ
Run this npm install redux. npm install redux.
Redux destroy. npm install save Redux.
You can use save also, without save also you can try. Next to this, npm install redux.
Hi, Ray. I'm getting some warning, right? It like a npm warn save error, env environment, no such file or directory, open something folder.
Some warning message will come because it's collect lot of packages from different place and then it's set up.
Okay.
And some packages may fail also, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Getting 169 packages are looking for funding. Run npm fund for detail.
Ignore all. For me also showing so many warning. That warning have no any problem at all. Let it be. For me also says so many something looking for funding. Redux recording classes is available in YouTube. From there I will give you the URL. Hope installation is done. You can install that also, React router down. It's a new project, right? npm install React router down. React router down.
Remaining how many classes required? Completed.
If you have anything urgent, you can skip also. It's not compulsory Redux. It will take 3-4 classes.
So this week it will be done, sir. Coming week.
If today also I can finish, there is no problem, but there is no, but it will not be in your favor. There is a two lane to walk. One is the fast speed, another one is called super fast speed, and one is slow speed. Which lane I should follow?
Slow only, sir. But need a
Slow, fast, and super fast. Super fast also I have. That meaning I have made example. I will show you directly, and that's all. That is called super fast. Fast means I will create, you will see. That is called fast. Slow means I will create, you will also create. So which one shall we follow?
slow only, sir. Third one is better.
No, so if you say fast, I will follow fast. I will do fast in my system. You can see once. Later you can follow the video. Or if you want super fast means I have created example for previous batch that I will show you within 1 day, 2 hours Redux is over. If you want slow means I will also create, you will also create.
Okay, sir. But the problem, our company people forcing us to come for office. That's it.
Uh-huh.
Our company people forcing us to come for office. That's why, sir.
When? Oh, forcing to come to office.
Work from home is finished, sir. They were office opened.
And the goal, then only 4 classes is there, only 4-5 class. And that also evening 7:30, everyone will come in home from office.
Sometimes in our office, our staff.
Sir, what is Redux toolkit?
You have seen that I have explained the problem, no? Day before yesterday. When I have started the Redux, the first class when I started the Redux, that day I have explained the problem in the beginning. What is the problem in the React? So we follow the Redux. Whoever has attended, they may have seen. You were there in the first class.
No, sir.
Then now what I will do? I will not start again React server.
Okay. I will see the video.
Okay, so hope React router DOM is installed. Okay, right here one more line. npm install bootstrap. We will use some feature of bootstrap also. Not all feature, but at least something, buttons, text box, table, container class, those we can use. npm install space bootstrap. If we keep CDN, then what will happen? CDN connect from other server. Every time we need internet connection.
Yes. Without.
Okay, that is the one problem. Another problem, the file is not under your control. File is under his control. Whose control? The server control. If any person will rename the folder name, your project is gone.
Yes.
If any person will delete the folder from server, project is gone. If any time server is down, your project is gone. So better than that, why can't we download from there and set up in the machine? So always it will be with project only. No need to look anywhere. Internet is there, then also fine. Not available, then also fine. All the cases it will work. minutes going on for me. Installation is ready.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the node modules folder. It will go by default. We can go to the index.js file. In index.js file, we can call that bootstrap.js. Here you can write import bootstrap /dist /css bootstrap min.css. bootstrap/this/css/bootstrap.min.css. This is available where under your node modules. In node modules, there will be folder called bootstrap. Under that bootstrap, there will be a folder dist. Under the dist, there will be folder called css. Under the css, there will be file called bootstrap.min.css.
Which version, sir? Bootstrap.
5 will come by default, current version.
By default. The bootstrap 6 then.
Once officially it will be launched, then automatically 6 will come. Until unless officially it's not launched, here once you run the command, it will not come. Beta version will not come, alpha version will not come. Officially, a stable version will launch for 6, then only it will come. It maybe we can go and check which version is that. Go to the node modules folder. You will find a bootstrap folder. Sorry, please write this line first. People are writing. Okay, hope link is added. Now come to your app.js file. In app.js file, I have many things are written here. So I will delete all. And here I will keep only nothing. This is the copy of my other project. You can remove those all. In your app.js file, delete everything. Let's follow this all. Hash router routes. This we do know in the routing. Routing this all we call. So let's call this all. I will save this much in chat also. If required, we can take this line. This is the bootstrap line. You can add in your app.js file. Is sent in the chat. And after that, please add this much. Okay, done till here. Okay, next quickly we can add the routing, and then we'll go for the component level. So the first step is we have to create nearly 5-6 component, 4-5 component. One is for single dimensional array, one for multi-dimensional array, one is for API, and next is for 4 component will create, and all 4 component we will import here, and we will add under the routing. After adding the routing, your React part will be ready. Then we need to integrate with the Redux. So first React routing and page loading should be ready. After that, we need to go for the setup of Redux. Okay, for that we have to create some certain different folder, and after creating the certain different folder, we have to do the remaining stuff. Okay, so let's come, and in your src folder, you create a file called maybe book. You can write book.js for single dimensional array. You can create one more file, user.js for multi-dimensional array. You can create one more file, api.js, to get the data from API, and we can create one more called all.js to display the data of all the component. Till now, we have created the component and we have seen the data individually. User data we cannot see under the other component. If you go page will get reload, we'll lose the data. Now Redux says like in book component, you get the book details and display, no problem. Add, delete list, anything you do. In user component, you take the user data, save list, delete, do anything. API component, bring some data from somewhere else, from source, some other source, and display it, no problem. Once you go to all.js file, you will find user data also, book data also, and API data also. That meaning the component will be based on, the project will be based on Redux, where data can be accessed separate and data can be accessed together also. Okay. Okay. Next, after that, come to the main component, that is called first component called book. Okay. Import React. Only React is required as of now. Only import React from React. Import React from React. The Redux is fully based on functional component. It is not based on class component. So const we can write here my book, add arrow method, come inside, export default my book, return a division, class name equal to container. It is the class of Bootstrap, and there is a class called text-center. Okay, text center. Inside that, you have to create a division, class name row. Class name will be row, and inside the row there will be division, class name all-lg-12. We can give 12. Inside the 12, we can write under the H3 book management. This much only as a static content. Now same content will copy paste everywhere, and will change the class name, function name, and will change the H3 content. So inside the bootstrap, there is a class called container, there is a class called row, there is a class called column. It is LG, SM, MD, many classes are there, but based on LG we are creating, it is suitable for our system, suitable for our laptop. Okay, so hope ready. Let me share this content in your chat. Okay, so ready? Just send this content in your chat. Oh, already sent. Now copy the same thing and paste into which file? Anyone writing still? Last now you can let me know. I can wait for a minute. Or it's a simple only no HTML code. You can add it easily. Text primary is the class. Text primary is the class that will change the text in the blue color. My book you will copy, paste under the user, change the class name as a my user. Function name is a my user. Follow the same format everyone so that it will be easy to find column. User management we can write here. Now go for the next file that is called API, paste inside, right here call my API, call the class called my API, right here API data management, API data to Redux. API data send to Redux. Okay, ready? Now same content we can add under the all.js file. We can write here my all, and write here my all. You can write here all data from Redux store. All data from Redux store. Okay, ready? So all pages are ready. Hope it is done for all. All 4 pages you have made. Similar content it was. Now I'll go to the app.js file. In app.js file, first you import all. Import which one? My import my book from book.js. Import my user from user.js. Import my API from api.js. Import my all from all.js. This is the 4 component we have. Now for this 4 component, generate the UL here and write the li. For UL you can write id equal to my nav. You can use here li. Inside the li we can use the link tag. Link to we can follow only slash will go to the books. For link you have to write a class name my link. We can follow here some 5 links, 4 links. And right here for my books, book management, user management, then next is called manage API. Next we have all Redux data. These all are the link we have written. Inside the roots, here you can keep a user API and here call all. You will go here, right here call root exact space path equal to only slash, then element equal to your my book element. Is something like this or something wrong? I need to write like this only, or something wrong with here. My book. Okay, my book. It's correct, only spelling was wrong. Now same way, this link will get placed here. Total 4 times. You can keep here call user. You can keep here call API. You can keep here call all. So this is all data of your user. Will go for the my user. My user API will go to the my API, and all will go to the my all. So hope we are ready till here. Write quickly and then let me know. Then we can write the CSS for that. See, these all are the which one? React, what we have studied. Routing, instead of adding the table, we added the LI, and some places we added the bootstrap to make more better look and feel. Hash router to hash router. I'm sending in your chat. We can use it if required. Hmm. For my nav and for this my link you have to write this. Going on or completed? Yes, no will come in chat, then I'll move next.
Sir, in functional component, we are using other router, right? Here we are using hash router.
You can use hash router anywhere. It's applicable in functional component, class component, everywhere. People use market mostly hash router only.
Is there any difference, sir, for that one?
You can use any router if you have other idea. It's not compulsory, you can use hash router only. There is no difference, both are going to give the same output. Hash router, you are aware of, right? That it will be easy, it will not be feel overload. Going to learn something else and get confused in something else. Okay, Go ahead next. What we have? If we have written, then we'll come to our next file that is called CSS. So you have to write the CSS for my nav and which one? For something, right? Meanwhile, before that, okay. So come to the index.css file. In that, if any extra CSS was written, you can remove that or you can ignore that. I have some CSS. I will be commenting that. Write the new CSS in the bottom. Slash star slash. Come down. So what is the first line? My nav
Yes.
is the ID or class as my nav padding ID only.
Yes.
Padding 20 px background. Okay, padding background color purple color and then margin 0 px, no any gap from anywhere. This is for which one? For navigation. Then you write the CSS for li has my nav space li display colon inline, and after that here also you add the padding similar 20 px. Come down. You have a class called mylink. Okay. So we can write like this also. Dot mylink text hyphen decoration none, text decoration none, color as a green, color orange you can keep. Orange would be okay. And font weight you can keep bold. On mylink, when the CSS, when the mouse will move, dot mylink colon hover, change the color to which color? Green color. So this is the CSS for which section? This is the CSS for navigation part.
Okay. Color is not
Visible.
visible.
Green we can change to which color? Black color.
Purple, black, purple.
On hover you can change to black color. Green will be okay. We'll see once. Okay, so hope you have written. Now you need to start the server. You can start your server. You can do an npm start. Then check how many is coming. We can go here and simply we can write npm start page should load. Hmm?
Sir, it's saying can't resolve React router DOM in C drive user.
What is saying?
Can't resolve React router DOM module not found.
Have you installed the React router DOM?
Yes, sir.
If you install, then definitely it will come. Install again. I will send you this line. React router DOM, it's saying not defined or not available module. Install again. Write npm install react-router-DOM. Reinstallation is required. Okay, so hope this design looking better. Come to the which file? Components. See, there should be some gap here, no? This is touching very nearby, right?
Yes.
So we cannot modify in all the components. We have already nav. CSS we have written here. Now suppose if you want to modify, we have to open all the components. So better than that, in the my nav, we are written margin 0 px. We can write first number 15 or maybe 20. So top how much? 20 px.
20.
left, right, 0 px, correct? And after that again, bottom also how much? 0 px. Oh, no, no, no. The first should be 0 and last should be how much? 20. Top above the nav 0 pixel, left, right 0 pixel, and bottom how much? 20 pixel. Then only after navigation you will have a gap of 20 px. According to need, we can increase also. Check once first. Gap got increased, so this much gap is okay. All the component will load.
Sir, what's the code to install Bootstrap?
npm install bootstrap. npm space install space bootstrap. Hello. Hello. बोल नाम कोलकाता में तो अभी है मेरे लोग, बहुत लोग, लेकिन देखना होगा कौन है कोलकाता में। आपका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है हमको व्हाट्सएप में भेजिए। मेरा प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप है, मैं उसमें पोस्ट करता हूँ। जो कोलकाता लोकेशन में है अथवा जो है वो आपको रिप्लाई करेगा। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है। Hope ready? So all components are loading. For how many people it is not working? Say your name once in the chat. I can share you the SRC folder. Not working. This is SRC folder. If not working, replace this. Then you can compile your project. Installation part is the individual duty. Installation is individual duty. How to install the Bootstrap? Here is the command. npm install. Let me go there in the terminal app.js file. See, if you want to install the Bootstrap, for this you have to run in CMD again. It should not be your CMD should open in F drive and the project is under the X drive. All should be one place. So you know right here npm install bootstrap. Quickly within 5 minutes reply should work come. If not, SRC have the problem, replace SRC. If SRC has problem, replace SRC. Installation has problem. After replacing SRC, you know how to replace SRC? To replace SRC, you have to close your VS Code. After closing the VS Code, you have to close your CMD, everything complete, everything close. close everything. System should be without any application. After that, delete src folder, replace with my src folder. First, you have to close everything. Then delete your src folder, replace with my src folder. Before doing npm start, if there is an error, you can run this. npm install bootstrap, first command. Second command, npm install react-router-dom, react router dom. After that, next npm install Redux. This is the three things we have done. Nothing else. Apart from that, src folder is shared already. So get ready and say yes, no. Working on it. शुभेंदु क्या कर रहा है भाई? इंटरव्यू में जाइएगा तो उसी तरह कहिएगा कि सर बूटस्ट्रैप तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, तो वो बोलेगा कि आज तो प्रिंटर ही नहीं काम कर रहा है, ऑफर लेटर नहीं मिल सकता है. ठीक है? Why not working? Find out the reason. Install again. Below is the command. Get ready quickly. I sent this SRC folder again.
Please show me index.css.
Which file?
Index.css.
Hover. But hover square bracket नहीं लग रहा. So hope we are ready to go next. Okay, then we can move next. So routing is happening, component is loading, right? Routing is happening, component is ready, pages are also loading properly. Okay. Next step is in book.js file, it should be a single dimensional array, listing the data and saving the data. So design we can do in the user component also, saving the data, listing the data, deleting and all everything. Okay, so that all will delete. See, this is not going to store in a component. It is going to store where? Hyderabad, under the store, under the Redux. Okay, so let's come. We can come to the
All component data.
huh?
All component data.
All data will go to the store. Okay, all will store under the Redux. So we'll go here book management and we'll write a paragraph. Under the paragraph, we can add here enter book name. Should have a text box. Input type equal to text. You can give ID equal to new book. ID equal to new book. After that, you will write a button from the bootstrap. That is called save book. It will be something like class name into btn hyphen primary and m hyphen 3. So one blue button will come and it will have certain gap from all the side. It will have very good gap from all the side. So now it's looking something better. Book management. Now it's there. .js. Okay, something like this. Basic text box, combination of normal and then bootstrap also. If you apply the class form control, for then text box will become full white. Yeah, it will become full white and button will go here. There. After this, write a table where you are going to display the data. Table have a class. Table has a class, but if you follow the table class, it will become how much? Full width.
Yeah.
Okay, so no problem, we can follow, but you can see here we have written the call LG12. Okay, let's write first table class name table only. Okay, next come inside, follow t head tr th book index and book name. Book name next th action provide. Okay, hope working. Table, but see table is how much? Complete full width. We can it's covering full width. So we can go here and 12 we have given. We can give as a 6. It will cover how much? Half. But where it will go? It will come in the left side. So we'll have option for offset. Offset 3. So it will leave 3 column in the left and 3 column in the right, and it will take the 6 column of middle. Okay, so hope is covering now how much? Half. It will not cover the entire area. Index, name, price will come and it will list here. Looking similar? Full design? Exactly same thing. We need to add in the next page also. This table will come in the next page. Table. Remaining will modify. The number of input field will be different, but this will come there.
Only table to table copy.
Only second, the table we need to copy and paste in the book file.
For you.
Yes. And then input box will create there separate. Input box will create there separate.
So where to paste it, sir?
Second table, second page, book.js file. Not book, user.js file. User we have no 12. Here we can paste that. Because in user also you have to list the user, right? So here user will index will come, name will come, next age and mobile will come, name, age, mobile, age and better education, and then action that it will. I hope your table is ready. Add one more key field here. Inside that, you can bring the name. Placeholder we can use there. Instead of writing the text, we can use here as a placeholder. Name, placeholder, placeholder equal to full name. Full name, age and education. ID as the age, edu, education, save user. Check now, text box is ready. We need to give some space also here. There is no space. Next, you can write here. For text boxes, we have a class called M2. M2 is the class name. It will give you 8 pixel gap from all sides. In text boxes, we can apply M2. It will give the gap of 8 pixel from all the side.
I'm going to meet him.
Entire,
In a week.
entire group is going.
Huh?
All, everyone.
No, actually, me and her, she is going. So, those are my friends. They are dropping us to Madivara.
Okay.
So, they will just go back to their places. Yeah.
After a week, you are.
Yeah. Because it's Vishu festival is there. So, for that week. See you then. Bye.
Yes, space got apply. Full name, age, and education. So book page is ready. Same way, user page is also ready. This is for input the data. We will be entering the value here, and this value will display in other pages. So hope look like meaningful. Still Redux is not applied. Redux will get applied, then it will become a small. Only design. Only design. Okay, then we can drop here. We can see you next. Tomorrow we'll not log in. We'll log in on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Thursday, you will finish the Redux. Redux is important for you. Keep in mind, spend some time with the cool mind. It's not only Redux, it is React also. Now what we are learning is a double revision of React and with Redux. Okay, so from my side, there is nothing urgent. If you have spent 2-3 days extra and learn properly, it's good for you only. So let's plan like that.
Will you also cover Redux, Thunk, and Saga?
No, only Redux.
Sir, please take na Saga.
I don't know, Saga, then how we can take. Plus, we don't have any commitment on that.
Okay.
So I have one doubt.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear. You can go ahead.
Yeah, Redux will support functional component, right? Here, if we switch from one component to other component, the data will not lose to use Redux with functional.
Yes, yes, yes.
But some of the companies using class component only. That time, how they are managed,
They will not use the Redux.
but data will lose, right? If they switch from one component.
They may use some other thing, but Redux is only for the functional component, not for the class component. Redux has come soon only. It's not very long back. Redux is only with the class component.
They might be use some other library for class component.
Okay.
You uploaded yesterday's video, sir?
No, sir. Today night I will upload. I will send you the link. You already have permission, no, in the YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. I have permission, but I haven't seen the video of
Not
yesterday.
uploaded still.
Yes, yes.
The night I will upload, and then after uploading, it will be a different playlist. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
that playlist I will be sharing in your group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Today night I'll upload it. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, then Monday we'll log in again. Video will not give you directly. Video will come where in the YouTube only. That also private access. So all back in, front in, all video I will upload there only, and I'll share the URL.
Check.